Hey y'all, so one of the best selling items in my Etsy store is Letter to the Bride. It became so popular. Initially, I made Letter to my bride and Letter to my groom for the bride and groom to give to each other on their special day. However, I received so many people wanting me to change the verbiage to Letter to the Bride so that they can give this letter to the bride during her bridal shower or bachelorette party. And that is what I did. Now I'm here to show you how to make this incredibly easy letter that takes less than 5 minutes to make. You can make it to sell in your store or for personal reasons. So let's go. Okay, so we're going to start in Canva. We're going to choose the letter portrait option. This is an 8 by 5 by 11 inches. And once you have your document open, we're going to click on text and add a heading. Our title is Letter to the Bride. Drag our title to the top and increase the size. Okay, make sure that is centered on the page. Then we're going to click on font and change your font. You can use whatever font you choose. I'm going to look under the elegant option and see what is available. Keep in mind that if you are selling this template to customers, you will want to choose the free font options. That way, if they only have a free Canva account, they can use the font of your choosing on your template, or they can choose whatever font they want to change it to. However, if you choose a pro font, they will not be able to use the template. Canva will probably ask them to upgrade their account if they want to use that font. Okay, so we're going to see what options are available here. I like that. We'll choose this one. Okay, just increase it a little bit. Now let's add a little decoration to the page. So we're going to go to Elements, type in Wedding, and look under the graphics. Same rule goes for the graphics. If you are selling this template to a customer, you want to use only the free graphics. That way they can use the graphics that are on your page. So let's see, we have rings and hearts. I'll choose the hearts. Decrease the size and center that to the page. Next, we're going to draw our lines. So we're going to clear out the search bar. Under shapes, click on the line and place your line where you want your letter to start and drag that across. Then we're going to change the weight of the line. So you're going to click on stroke style and under stroke weight, change it to 1. And then we're going to duplicate the line and drag that down, giving the line enough space for someone to write within the lines. Okay, to duplicate, you can Control D, Command D, or right click on the line and choose the duplicate option. Okay, once we have that line set and spaced, we want to Control D down the page. Okay, if you're not sure that your lines are evenly spaced, highlight all the lines, click on Position, and then click on Tidy Up if that option is highlighted. That will ensure that your lines are evenly spaced. Okay, and lastly, we are going to duplicate the title, drag it down, type love with a comma, decrease the size a little bit. This way, whomever is writing the letter can sign their name and the bride will know who this letter is from. Okay, if you would like to provide different varieties of this type of letter, duplicate the page and change the font. So we can change it to, let's see, that looks okay. We will increase the size and change this one down here. Let's move that up a little bit. And now you have 2 different products that you can sell to your customers. Okay, I've had customers also ask me to remove the lines in the middle. That way they can type on the letter or draw pictures. I don't know, but I've had that request. So you can offer this selection as well. Once your letters are complete, you want to click on Share, Download, download as a PDF standard. And then you can upload that product to whatever platform you are selling your items. Okay? I would like you to know also that this letter is not exclusive to just the bride. You can write this letter to the groom, to your bridesmaids, to mom, to dad. It's also not exclusive to just a wedding. You can write these letters in a birthday party, for a retirement, housewarming party, whatever you're choosing. This is a great gift to give to anyone because it is personal to whomever gets the letter and it's straight from the heart. If you like this content and this tutorial, please comment down below what you would like to see next. Also, let me know if you have written or created a letter yourself and to who it was to. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.